Hey guys, this is Kim Osborne here, and I'm here to give you a tip on how to get your business going. A lot of you would ask me, how are you making those videos? You know those videos, Wanna Be Wednesday, where current events create your success. I still have those near and dear to my heart, and I love them. But at any rate, a lot of people would ask me, how are you making those videos? What equipment are you using? And I wanted to give you a little tutorial because it's super easy to do. I'm actually just using my iPad. Right now I'm using my iPad. And there's some quick, easy little things that you can do to create your own video. That's a great way to market your business and to get yourself out there. And people always tend to like videos. So let me show you a few things that can help you get started.
Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Right here, what you see is Windows Movie Maker. I have a PC. And the easiest and freest editor that you can use is Movie Maker. Now my husband has a Mac, and in the Mac you would use an iMovie. Again, that's free. If you don't have it, all you have to do is just go online and download it. It won't cost you any money, and they're really, really good tools. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you on my PC for the Movie Maker, and a lot of what I do on here you can implement on the Mac. And if I have enough requests too, then I don't mind making a tutorial for the Mac as well. Okay, so what we're going to do, first thing we're going to do, I just opened it up. It looks just like this. You're going to add a video to your document. Now, you can add one here or you can add one over here. It doesn't really matter. I'm just going to click right here and it takes you to one of your folders, wherever you saved it. I'm going to pull up right here. Okay, so remember I did my Wannabe Wednesdays. One of my Wannabe Wednesdays, I covered Bruno Mars. This one is 13 minutes long, way too long for something that I need. So this is a perfect thing to edit. Okay, so I'm going to open it up like that, and here it is. All right, this little tool here is perfect, and I love it because it helps you to see what you're doing. So you see as I'm moving, it's showing me what all is in this clip. Okay, and I can take my mouse and I can move to different parts of the clip and I can see what all is in there. So how's that helpful? Well, like here, up here, it's a lot of stuff that I'm not going to need. I really wanted his performance. So instead of watching this whole thing and figuring it out, I can just come down here, click and see, okay, well this is a little bit, okay, this is the middle of his performance. So you see, I'm right there. All right, now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut it down. You saw how I can tell this is too much and I don't want to get all that fluff. So I'm just moving around, finding spots where I get to his actual performance. I'm fast forwarding. Ooh, I kind of like his drum solo because some of you didn't know that Bruno could do that. And in case you don't know, Bruno is the bomb. I love him. Okay, so I want to start my video. Let's say I want to start it right here. Here's what you're going to do. Okay, you're going to take your mouse and you're going to come on up here to where it says edit. Okay, there's the video tools and it says edit. So I'm going to click on edit here. And this little baby here, you're going to find that on all the tools. You'll find it on my like my iPad app that I use to edit. You'll find it on Movie Maker. A split is literally splitting the video clip into pieces. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to split right there. Now, why did you do that, Kim? How was that helpful? Well, let me show you how. Now I have two pieces. The piece before Bruno's drums and the piece after. I don't want all this stuff before, so I am going to get rid of it. Right now, I can just highlight it, and up here, I can click remove, or I can right click, like I just did right now. Oops. Right click, and I can also say remove there. Either way, I'm going to get rid of it because I already know I don't need it. Okay, so now I've trimmed down. You see that? Okay. Now Bruno gets down. I'm watching him get down. And let's say I just want his drums. And actually, that's what I actually did in my video. I just wanted his drums. Even though, for future references, you might as well just watch the whole performance because it was good. But let's say I just want this. Again, there are other tools that you can use there, to do this. If you look up here in the video, there's other tools that you can use. You could use the trim tool. I just find the split tool easier, and we all like easy, right? Okay, so I'm going to back up till I can get the end, and this is the beauty of this, is you can just move it really slightly till you get the very, very end. Okay, and it looks like there is the end of my clip. Okay, so again, I'm going to split it. Split. Now, here's the fun part, the easy part. I just want this little bar right here, just this bar. That means all this other stuff, I don't need it. So I'm going to highlight that, and what do? Okay, if you said remove, then congratulations, you are awesome. Okay, you can, again, go here, or you can right click here. This time I'm going to remove it this way. Gonzo. Okay, so now look what I have here. I have a little bitty clip of what I wanted. Okay, now let's say, like in my Wannabe Wednesdays, I had videos of me talking, and I also had videos where I would cut to a clip like this. So let's say I want more video. I don't want just this for my video. Well, same thing, go back here and add. Okay, so I'm going to come scroll down and let me see what I even have in here. I don't even know. I don't even know why I have Grey's Anatomy in here. I think maybe I did a Wannabe Wednesday on that. But let's just say I want that. So I'm going to open it. And why wouldn't you want Grey's Anatomy? You know what I'm saying? Why wouldn't you want Bruno Mars and Grey's Anatomy? That is a wonderful clip of wonderful footage. Okay, so now, as you see here, now I have it going from Bruno, and then he plays and he plays and he plays, and then, boom, I'm into Grey's Anatomy. Same thing if I want to trim my clip. Let's try the trim just so you guys can see it. Okay, my trim tool here. It's pretty easy to trim. Let me see what I'm doing here. Okay, so on here, when I trim, I can use this little thing over here. Okay, I can trim it like this. I pull that little bar there. And let's say I want to start where Christina's looking like that at the doctor. And then, ew, yuck. I always close my eyes when they show nasty stuff on Grey's Anatomy. Okay, and let's say I want to trim it to there. All right, boom. All I did was just click. Once I moved my little bars there, I just clicked down here and it just trimmed it for me. How easy is that? So easy. So then I just come here and it's transitioned there. And look what I got. Now, these are really cool. This is really easy. I just want to show you one other thing because I don't want this video to be too long, but I wanted to show you one other little thing, and that is you can have so much fun with this and play. You can, if you look here at animations, you can have transitions. Look at that. You see that? I clicked on this little dotted thing, and now look at how my thing starts. Fancy schmancy, isn't it? Okay, and it makes it look like I just know what I'm doing, and I kind of do, but I kind of don't. You know what I mean? Okay, and then you can come to the end and give it another transition that you would like to give it. You know, just play and have fun with it. So now I click that there. Let's see here what that looks like. I play. Here comes Christina's looking like that. Oh wait, it didn't show. How weird is that? I think I have to have another clip behind that. Like if I put it right here, I think that's where. Let me see here. Okay, so I'm just saying, in general, play around, lots of fun stuff. Look at that. You can make it look all different, and it'll preview for you. Look, see as I'm changing it, it's previewing to the different looks that I have on there. How cool is that? You look like you know what you're doing. I love it. Okay, and so then the last little bitty thing I want to show you real quick is if you wanted to give it a title. If you're like, okay, I want to say this is the Bruno / Grey's Anatomy thing, I just click title right there, and like I literally just type it. All I type is Bruno is the man, because he is. He really is. And then look, you can edit your text, you can change your background color, you can decide how long that's going to be on there. You know, you can be something fast and slow. You can transition it out. You can make it fade out. Really, I hope you're seeing how easy some of this stuff is. I'm not even going to go over all of it because I don't have time, but you can add music onto it. If you wanted to add some background music, you can record using your voice under that. You can just play. You can just play. The last little piece I just want to show you real quick is I wanted to show you what to do with it when you're finished. So let's say you're all finished. You faded out your music here because you used an easy tool to fade out your music on the ad. Once you add music, it'll give you some more tools where you can fade it out. Okay, so let's say you do it all that. All right, and you want to, it's looking good. You like the way it looks. Make sure you go back here and you preview the whole thing and just rewind it, and you can just watch how the whole thing lays out. Right here, it tells you how long it is there. Okay, you can save the movie to your computer. Look right here. You can save the movie to your computer and then use it for another time or for your own personal way. You can publish it to Facebook right there. Boom. My favorite is YouTube. I like to publish to YouTube because you can use it in more ways. Or Vimeo is another one. Flickr, all different places where you can publish it. YouTube was mine of choice. I publish it out there, and then I can put that onto my website. All I literally have to do is copy the link on my website and then put it on there. I can put it in Facebook. I can put it in all the different formats that I want to put it in. Okay? So how easy cheesy lemon squeezy is that? I hope it was easy for you. If you like this, tell me more about it. Tell me more of what you want, and I will show you. I will give you everything I have. Okay, maybe not everything, but I will give you the things that will help you pursue your dreams, because that's why I'm here. So, this is Kim Osborne. Have a great day. Have fun playing, and I can't wait to see your videos. Bye.